A straight line can be either horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. A horizontal line goes from left to right or right to left, but it is flat, like the horizon. A vertical line is up and down, like when you're standing up vertical, you are standing up straight and you are up to down. I think of this as like a person. Diagonal is somewhere between vertical and horizontal. It can be left to right, or it can be right to left. Now, all of these lines are different examples of lines that are not straight, but they can also be done in any direction as well. For instance, a curved line could be pretty much horizontal, or it could be really curved and it could be vertical. It could be diagonal. Curved line could be going in any direction as well. Zigzag can be big, it can be small, it can be going in different directions. Wavy lines could be a wave like this, or it could be just a wavy line like this, or it could have different size waves. Curly line could be going in lots of different directions. Bumpy line could look like hills. A dotted line is when the pencil is actually picked up off of the paper. Again, there can be multiple varieties to a dotted line. Swirling. Very similar to curvy, but I think of like Starry Night. Spiral. Again, very similar. I think of a seashell though when I think of a spiral. And the Great Wall of China is an example here because the Great Wall of China is lines going over a mountaintop dividing the land. And it can actually be seen from space. So it's like the biggest line that is man-made. Okay, we're going to learn about a couple more things dealing with line. So let's flip over our packet to the back side. A first thing is thick and thin. Thick lines are still lines. They can be straight or curved, but you can see they are bold and thick. A thin line might be something you can barely even see. Of course, there's lots of areas in between these two. Now the next thing is parallel. And these are two lines that are going in the same direction. They never get closer together or farther apart. They don't have to be straight lines. These two zigzag lines are parallel. And lastly today is perpendicular. These lines are just the opposite of parallel. Perpendicular lines cross each other at a 90-degree angle. Again, they don't have to be straight.